5 Key types of quality management systems. ISO 9001 is the most well-known quality management standard that focuses on meeting customer requirements and enhancing customer satisfaction. It provides a framework for organizations to establish a quality management system, set quality objectives, and monitor their performance. ISO 14001 is a standard specifically for environmental management systems. It helps organizations to minimize their environmental impact, comply with environmental regulations, and improve sustainability. Total quality management is a holistic approach to quality management that involves all employees in the continuous improvement of processes. TQMA focuses on customer satisfaction, employee involvement, and process improvement. Six Sigma is a data-driven approach to quality management that aims to reduce defects and variations in processes. It uses statistical methods to analyze data, identify root causes of problems, and implement solutions to improve process performance. Lean manufacturing is a systematic approach to eliminating waste and maximizing value in processes. It focuses on improving efficiency, reducing lead times, and increasing customer value. By implementing lean principles, companies can optimize their operations, minimize costs, and enhance competitiveness in the market. Conclusion: in conclusion, quality management systems play a crucial role in ensuring that organizations deliver high-quality products and services to their customers.